every time we have a discussion, it's always the same few people talking. Pare-parehas na lang ang nagre-recite. I wish everyone would participate more.
We've all been there. Whether in class or group activities, it is tough to get everyone involved. But what if we could change that with a simple tool? Our action research project, Spin the Wheel, is designed to make sure everyone gets a fair chance to share. Our action research project is called Spin the Wheel Enhancing Classroom Participation Through Random Name Picking. It is a simple yet powerful idea. Here's how we structured our research.
The first part of our project is defining the problem. We noticed that in many group settings, only a few people actively participate. This leaves some voices unheard, which can affect the overall learning experience. So, our goal is to find a way to make participation more balanced.
Next, we develop a plan. Our idea is to use a spin the wheel method. We'll create a virtual wheel with everyone's names on it. During discussions, we'll randomly spin the wheel to decide who speaks next. This way, everyone has an equal chance to participate without feeling singled out.
In the implementation phase, we'll introduce spin the wheel in a classroom setting. Though as of now, we haven't conducted this part yet. The idea is to observe how this method affects participation. We'll see if random selection helps students feel more involved and engaged.
While using Spin the Wheel, we'll collect the data by observing how often different students participate. We'll also use surveys to gather feedback from students on how the random selection method makes them feel, whether it reduces anxiety or helps them feel more included.
Finally, we will analyze our findings. By comparing participation rates and student feedback before and after using the wheel, we hope to see if this approach makes a positive impact. Our goal is to recommend the Spin the Wheel as a tool for creating more inclusive discussions. Although we haven't started the actual experiment yet, we believe that Spin the Wheel has the potential to make discussions more balanced and fair. We are excited to share our findings once we've conducted the research.
Working on this action research taught us a lot about the importance of student engagement in the classroom. We realized that active participation from all students helps create a more inclusive and effective learning environment. According to Vygotsky's social development theory, learning is a social process, and students learn better when they engage with each other and with the teacher. This understanding motivated us to look for ways to encourage every student to participate.
We chose the random name picking tool, Spin the Wheel, because it is simple yet effective. By using this tool, each student has an equal chance to contribute, which helps reduce anxiety for those who are shy or reluctant to speak. As Risada 2024 points out, tools like random name pickers makes it easier for teachers to include everyone and create a fair learning environment. We believe this would help build confidence among quieter students while also making the lesson more dynamic and interactive.
Another valuable lesson we learned was how participation improves learning outcomes. Research by Bergmark and Westman shows that students who are involved in class discussions tend to understand the material better. Our research gave us the opportunity to put this theory into practice, and we saw how random name picking kept students more alert and ready to answer.
The process of conducting this research also taught us about teamwork. As a group, we shared ideas and worked together to understand the problem, brainstorm solutions, and plan our approach. Working together helped us develop skills in collaboration, organization, and problem solving. It was exciting to see how each person's input contributed to building our action research plan.
Overall, this experience has inspired us to keep finding ways to make the classroom more engaging for all students. We believe that when students feel like active participants, they not only learn better but also enjoy the learning experience more. Our hope is that our findings will be useful for other teachers who want to create more inclusive classrooms where every student has a voice. Thanks for joining us on this journey. With Spin the Wheel, we are aiming to make every voice matter in the classroom. Imagine a space where each spin brings new ideas, confidence, and connection. So, stay with us as we roll out this plan, because every spin brings us one step closer to a classroom where every voice counts. Thanks for watching!